Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and freeing tension. This prevents unexpected movement and keeps the bobbin area accessible. Once done, raise the presser foot so the tension discs release. Make sure the handwheel is turned toward you until the needle is highest. Cut the top thread near the spool, but leave about 6-8 cm so you can pull it slowly. These steps let you handle the thread without tangling and give clear access to the thread path for the next actions. Now you follow the thread path to free it systematically. That prevents snags later. First, lift the K-cup lever fully so the thread detaches from the coil inside. Then unhook the thread from each guide, working from spool to needle. Make sure to clip any knots and feed the loose end toward the back of the machine. This avoids dragging through the mechanism. If the thread resists, stop and backtrack one guide at a time so you don't stress the needle or feed dogs. Finish by opening the bobbin plate and removing the bobbin so you can clear leftover thread and lint that often cause jams. You should brush out the compartment and inspect the bobbin case for caught fibers. Once clean, reinsert the bobbin in the correct orientation and close the plate. Thread the needle anew and test on scrap fabric. If you get skipped stitches or jamming, check tension settings and that the thread sits correctly in the K-cup lever, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.